welcome to Round Round Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this professional rock tumbler. It's a great product for cleaning gems and different types of rocks that the kids collect. So it's really cool. It's got last memory function, so when you turn it off it'll go back to the last time you used it. It's got auto timer settings and it's got 3-speed level adjustment. This is the tumbler where you put the rocks in, and this is the device, and on here it on and off, and then you could choose depending on the days how many days that it'll take to for the process to work. So it does take a little bit. Pause and resume, and then different speeds. Like I said, 3 different speeds. Really easy. It comes with everything. It's got all the things that needed. Step 1, the coarse. Step 2, medium. Step 3, pre-polish. And then step 4, polish. So it comes with all these tools. It comes with a brush too, if you need to brush the rocks after. And it comes with a screwdriver if you need to pry anything open. So this stuff, if you open it up right here, just like that, and you need a screwdriver to help you lift it out. It's a little tight. It has to be tight so that way the stuff doesn't fall out. And then you have to take this inner lid out. It's a little hard. See? So if you squeeze that a little bit and pry it open, and there you go. It actually comes with some rocks as well, so that's really cool. As you can see, we have some too, but I'm going to show you. Let's do these and then we'll do yours. So there we go. Cool. Yeah, so it comes with a lot of dull rocks. So we're going to put them inside and we're going to show you how it works. So you put them all in. And
as you see, like, they're all dusty, but like once the process is done, they'll be all shiny and nice.
So we'll put them all in. No, we'll put those after. We'll do these first. And we put water, because they say first to put water to clean them. So put some water. And no, first you gotta do the water. That's what it says first to do. So it says step by step how to do over here. So step 1, rinse the rocks, put them in there, let them tumble for a little bit. And then once that's done, take the contents out. It comes with a little bag, so that way you can pour the water out. And then you can repeat the steps with step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and so forth until you're done. So this is really cool. Definitely keeps the kids busy. They love doing this. And that's it. It's a great product and easy to use, and we hope you enjoy. Bye.